Good evening, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on May 18th, 2014. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Today we will speak about some previous stocks that we have mentioned, primarily OTC, since about 80% of our traders on Radio Silent Play are OTC traders or penny stocks, small caps traders. We're going to start off by reviewing some of the stocks that we actually put out. Okay, we'll start off with IDVC. IDVC is Infrastructure Developments. Okay, that stock was given out to members at a buy zone at 0.001. What we noticed about this stock was that we had approached this master support at 0.001. Master support usually is, okay, the levels that this stock has held at close. Okay, many traders don't understand what master supports are, pivots. This will be explained in a new blog that I just posted on the watch list. I will give you guys heads up what that is, but let's just start off. On April 23rd, we sent out what you call as SMS text, and that SMS text said IDVC 12 low share structure, bottom stock, previous RSP winner at repeat entry levels, watch for the rally, do not post in the main chat, silent accumulation. What that gives is traders an opportunity to actually buy the stock without hype. When I say silent accumulation, that means buy the stock on the bid or try to accumulate shares within that range. And if you look, okay, that level over here, okay, gave it opportunity to enter at either 9 or 10. We had a rally up here to 20, which gave an initial 100% move. If we come back down, those buy zones are still in effect. Okay, when the stock actually retraces and hits that level again, it actually triggers another buy entry. And if you see here, it actually hit 10. You could have bought it back at 10 and 11, and it closed at 25. And this was actually on Friday, May 16th. So now what we're looking for is for this level, okay, this previous high to get tested, which is at 35. So now that you saw this stock break above this level, watch that 15 and 18 for a possible re-entry. Now that you breached, you can actually look to actually add that pullback, because now that pivot, okay, that previous resistance, okay, that pivotal moment has broken and it becomes now support. Okay, so I just want traders to understand that concept. Okay, if we look at CTYX was sent out on May 12th, and that was at 0009. Okay, it was given in chat. Some traders were able to buy it at 8 and 9, and then what I did was I actually put it out on the weekly watch list at 11 and gave the buy zones at 8 and 11. If you come down here, you see the area of accumulation, and it gave that entry, okay, that bullish reversal tail right here. See that close at the high and that low of 8 closing at the high? That gave a signal that you had a reversal, okay, confirmed on the close. Remember that you must have a close, okay, to confirm, okay, the sentiment on a chart. I will speak again on a short blog that actually gives tips on what to look for when entering a stock, so I'll give that to you at the end of the video. Okay, so if you look at CTYX, it gave you that entry at from 8 to 9, gave you till 10. And if you come down here, that accumulation gave that positive move up to 15. Then it retraced, came back down to 11, and the pullback again, that was the entry for the pullback, and then it hit a high of 25. Okay, that was for 150%. If you look at the PFMS trade, right now you gave an opportunity of entering that stock between 4 and 5. Okay, broke this. See if you connect each pivot high from here to here to here, that was the resistance. It broke above that, held that 7, and it hit a high of 12 for 100%. Now what you're seeing on the stock is, okay, it's actually trading at 7. So watch that 6 and 7 for that possible pullback and re-entry. Okay, let's take a look at RGNA. RGNA, I gave that stock at 6. It hit a high of 24 for 300%. Okay, pulling back, okay, at 7, and right now currently it's at 10. So I just want to show this chart. Okay, I mean, not too much volume on this stock, but if you look at it, it's holding a significant uptrend, and it's holding this area of support. So watch that 0005 and 6 for re-entry. Okay, so this is what we're actually looking at when we're actually trading these stocks. I want traders to understand the levels. Okay, MYFT, same type of setup. It was 0006 to 15 for 130%, and it actually pulled back to 6, and it closed on Friday at 9. So let's take a look at the setup. Okay, MYFT 0007, we gave the buy zones from 5 to 8, and it actually gave that opportunity to enter from 5 to 8, gave that accumulation level. Actually, we talk about the box pattern setup. Again, that's going to be posted for RSP premium members, what that actually means. And it had a nice move. It hit this 5 level, and then it hit a high of 14. So that was a pretty good move. Since then, it's pulled back right now, and it's actually at 9, and it gave a re-entry at 6. So that's something that I want traders to actually understand. Okay, this is something that was brought up in the chat room the other day. Gave a little bit of frustration in the room, because it created a little bit of panic. But if you look at TBEV, I sent this stock at buy entry at 15 to 17 were the buy zones. Some traders were getting a little bit frustrated because there was a bit of an ask. Okay, but this stock held this level at 15 right over here. Okay, it rallied, hit it at 34, and now it's testing that 15 again, and it hit a high of 24. In our chat room, we had a member say that it wanted to go back down to 000, that it was being manipulated. Okay, every stock is manipulated. Okay, but we don't care about that. That's, you know, pretty much the small details that we really don't care about. Our whole objective is to have a mental stop at 15 on close. If the stock closes below 15, that's our stop. Now, whether you wait for a second day confirmation, which I tend to tell my traders to do, it's entirely up to you. But if you trade and you panic, okay, on emotion, because you think that it's going down to 000, you would have missed that move to 24. So you had that 15 to 24, and that's over 50%. So you're just giving that right back just because you're trading on emotion. All right. So we came out with for traders to understand this, we came out with what you call Trading Tips Explained. And Trading Tips Explained, what it's going to do is pretty much a webinar that I did, or not that I did, that I attended, and it was some good information, and I'm just going to give it out to certain members. I put a little bit of a twist on it for my members, and I explained to you pretty much what it is, but it's pretty much what Radio Silent Play does. So I want traders to actually read it. Okay, this stuff is put out for traders to actually use. So you go over to articles and you just click on Trading Tips, and what we have here is we have you know, what stock trading is and how you will succeed if you follow these tips. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. I will see everybody on the Sunday meeting, okay, today on chat room. So thanks again. Have a good night.